What if I told you that building niche accounts on BlueSky could unlock a major income stream before anyone else catches on? In this video, I'll reveal 5 creative ways to turn your niche passions into profit on this fast-growing platform. Most people won't realize the potential until it's too late. Stay tuned, and you'll be miles ahead of the competition. Number 5. Sponsored content. Starting off with sponsored content, this is a great way to monetize your niche BlueSky account. First, you'll need to build a dedicated following by posting engaging content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's in the fitness, travel, or tech space, brands are always looking for influencers who align with their goals. Once you've built your audience, you can partner with these brands to create sponsored posts promoting their products or services. The key to success with sponsored content is consistency and authenticity. Focus on creating content that genuinely interests your followers and aligns with the brand's image. With a niche account, you'll attract the right brands that are willing to pay for your influence, all while providing value to your audience. Number 4. Freelance promotion. If you're a freelancer, BlueSky can be a game changer for promoting your services. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, consultant, or photographer, use your niche account to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. You can share behind-the-scenes looks at your projects, offer free tips related to your service, and invite followers to reach out for more in-depth help. By establishing yourself as an expert in a niche, you'll naturally attract clients who need your skills. Plus, since BlueSky is still growing, you'll be tapping into a relatively untapped audience, which gives you a big advantage over competitors on other platforms. The personal connections you make here can lead to long-term freelance opportunities. Number 3. Community building and paid access. This one is a goldmine if you're passionate about a niche subject and want to create a loyal following. You can create niche communities on BlueSky around things like fitness, modeling, or even your own photography or spicy content. By creating these spaces, you can promote your paid content and build a more engaged audience. You can also use these communities to drive traffic to your other platforms, whether that's Patreon, OnlyFans, or even a private coaching business. Offering exclusive content or memberships on those platforms lets you monetize your BlueSky followers while providing them with high-value content they can't get anywhere else. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to make money on BlueSky. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your links. This works especially well in niche markets, where people trust your opinions and recommendations. Whether it's a review of a product you genuinely like or offering tips on a solution that worked for you, your followers will appreciate your insight. You can use platforms like Amazon affiliates or other niche-specific programs to find products to promote. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products. You just recommend something you believe in, and when your followers click through and purchase, you earn money. And finally, the number 1 way to make money on BlueSky is selling your own digital products or services. Whether it's ebooks, courses, design templates, or coaching sessions, this is a lucrative opportunity for anyone with expertise in a specific niche. Start by creating valuable content that showcases your skills, and use your BlueSky posts to drive traffic to your product or service. Once you've built a solid audience who trusts your advice, selling your own digital products or services becomes a natural next step. Whether it's through a website, an online store, or a direct payment link, your followers will be excited to support you while getting the valuable content they need. There you have it. 5 genius ways to turn your niche passions into profit on BlueSky before everyone else catches on. Whether you're building a community, promoting affiliate products, or selling your own digital products, this platform offers plenty of opportunities for monetization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. For even more money-making strategies, click one of the videos on screen now. You know you want to.